Hello, I'm in a 2010 Lexus RX 300 and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go right down. You should see a release. That pop sound was the safety releasing. If you're having issues with this, just double check. Your cable here is connected with a little bit of tension. If not, you need to address that. Then we'll go up to the front. Should be a little loose now. Typically your release levers are going to be in the middle. So it's right kind of where my hand is. So it's right here. So I'm going to pinch it kind of and lift up. You have to pinch it pretty far too. There we go. So now it's up. There's what it was hooked onto, this area. And then this is that lever I pushed on. You can see it releasing there. So if you're having issues, most likely something with this. So maybe need to check for debris. Maybe some WD-40 to loosen it up. Or if things get off aligned a little, like the hood or some component that needs bent back properly, that'll help a lot too. So everything's lined up correctly. And then worst case scenario, these parts are fairly affordable to replace if needed. Same with the cable. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.